tell you about the recent coronavirus outbreak. How to make medicine for this coronavirus? You thought so? So the first two things for coronavirus are its genetic data and its origin. But there is no medicine for coronavirus yet. Because the coronavirus genetic data someone found in the Shanghai Health Institute Pharmacy, and they sent it to the American Microbiology Institute. In that, someone found out that it was similar to the SARS. SARS is protein key, which is the antigen. Coronavirus antigen was similar to the SARS antigen. SARS, because the coronavirus could cause even more severe diseases like SARS and MERS. So he published the data of coronavirus and SARS, and people also found out the DNA was similar too. So mankind is taking a step further to produce a medicine for coronavirus. And also, we have to take certain medical measures and precautions in what to do if you have coronavirus already. So this is the measure. It doesn't mean you have to wear masks and go all the time in schools, in offices, in homes, in roads. No. Masks are going to do nothing about coronavirus. There is a mask called IR95 which is the only mask that can protect against coronavirus. Simply just don't use masks regularly. You see, whenever we wear masks, it protects you. But whenever, for example, you're in school and you place it on the table, bite it and then wear it, there might be lots of germs including coronavirus. So the mask is not saving. So the mask is not a boon. This time it's a bane, not a boon. You see, if you expose your masks to dangerous germs including the coronavirus, you could get more sick and you could even risk your life. So please don't use masks that you have already dropped on the road. And also another thing to be warned is, you might heard some people in lectures telling you to wash your hands every day. That's because in the reason coronavirus are not picky at the spot. They are very smart. They're not picky at the spot. They're really, really smart at the spot. By the time the coronavirus has to linger around, it has two options. In your fingers or in your inner hand. So it lingers out and feasts on all the food that you eat. And also, as that is the only part you're using for eating, you might also get the coronavirus. So after coming in contact with things that can cause coronavirus, wash your hands with warm soapy water. And also, here's another medical precaution. If you've already got coronavirus, you should always avoid contact with livestock and live animals to reduce your chance of getting SARS and MERS. So, keep your body, heart and mind safe, and also get to learn more about the coronavirus. Bye!